Oh, the last topic that I wanted to bring up, and that's also a pretty big capability that we worked on quite a lot, is bring JSii, we call it. And the idea of bring JSii, and let's see if I have some example here in the code. I usually like to just look at one of the valid examples here. This is the invalid example, and there we go here. Okay, so what you can see here is that Wing now supports bring quotes and then a name of a library, an NPM module, and you can assign it to some namespace. So in this case, I'm bringing JSI code samples, which is a library that's published to NPM. I'm sure you can even find it here because it's supposed to be working. JSI code samples. There we go. And you can actually use it. You can actually create instances of classes and call methods. And so that's a huge thing, right? Like that's basically our first step towards being able to leverage the JSii ecosystem, all of the CDK for Terraform, the CDK ecosystem. And that's also going to be the way, at least in our beta, that's going to be the way for people to be able to leverage everything in the types, everything in the JavaScript type system that is typed. And we'll talk about this when we have more support for that. There are still somewhat missing capabilities in our type system, so you can't really import any Terraform module at this point, any Terraform JSI library yet. But this is a huge step forward towards kind of like interop with the NPM, CDK, JSI ecosystems. So, amazing work by Chris. Really interesting PR